What should procurement teams verify before choosing Precious Metal Granulator Comparison Guide? Capacity, temperature control, gas protection, and granule size. The answer is not just speed. Buyers need to check whether the solution fits real production targets, delivers stable data, and reduces downstream risk for quality control, maintenance, and supplier coordination. This walkthrough focuses on the practical evidence a buyer should request before moving forward with a purchase decision. This three-table comparison ranks 4 technical criteria tiers across 3 capacity bands and 5 supplier evidence checks. Key capacity and output factors for gold, silver, copper, and K-gold alloys. Precious Metal Granulator Comparison often starts with price, power, or nominal capacity. Those numbers are easy to compare, but they do not fully explain whether a machine will create useful granules for gold, silver, copper, or K-gold alloys. A procurement team should compare how capacity, temperature control, gas protection, granule size, cooling stability, and supplier evidence work together. This guide frames the decision as a technical specification comparison rather than a brand introduction. It uses the Tentec TAGR machine as one compact equipment example because the product page lists a 1 to 10 kilograms model range, 1500 C maximum temperature, PID temperature control, Mitsubishi PLC control, argon or nitrogen protection, water cooling, and 0.8 to 4.0 millimeters granules. The same comparison method can be applied to other suppliers before final procurement. 1. Why specification comparison matters in precious metal granulation. Precious metal granulation is a process quality decision. A machine with the wrong capacity may force operators into too many cycles or leave expensive equipment underused. Weak temperature control can create inconsistent metal flow. Insufficient gas protection can increase oxidation risk. Poor granule size control can make downstream weighing and remelting less predictable. These risks are not abstract. They appear in labor time, scrap handling, surface quality, and production confidence. 2. Why price alone is a weak procurement indicator. Price matters, but it should not dominate the first comparison. A lower purchase price can be offset by higher maintenance burden, unclear spare part supply, limited training, poor granule consistency, or weak documentation. A higher price is also not automatically justified unless the supplier can prove better control, durability, support, and workflow fit. The comparison should begin with process outcomes, then move to total operating cost. 3. The 4 core dimensions: capacity, temperature, gas protection, and granule size. 4 dimensions determine most early screening decisions. Capacity defines whether the machine fits production volume. Temperature control defines whether melting and pouring behavior can be repeated. A strong buying decision depends on more than a good brochure. Teams should compare measurement range, repeatability, calibration method, sample preparation requirements, maintenance support, and evidence from real plant use. When those checks are completed before purchase, the business can reduce retesting, avoid production delays, and choose equipment with more confidence.